Hey y'all, thank you for joining me here today for episode 2 of our Hey Jordan series. This episode is going to be about an email I got this weekend about how to update the software on your baby lock sewing and or embroidery machine. It's a simple process, but it does have a few steps to it that I'm going to try and break down and simplify. I'm going to show you where to get a file, how to download the file, how to save it to a USB, and then what to do next. There's about 4 different ways to do different models of baby lock machines, all the way from a small little 4x4 Sophia 2 to the 6 and 10 machines. They're all different. So I'm going to show you a couple different models there. We're going to start on here, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so once you get your computer booted up, what you want to do is just click whatever search engine you want to use. I'm going to use Safari, and then just look up the model for whatever machine you're trying to update. So we're going to do this on the baby lock array. Click the baby lock link, and then it'll take you to the whole spec page for your machine. Just scroll down a little bit, and right here under additional product details is manuals, updates, and brochures. We're going to click that. Over here to the left is where it's going to display your updates. You could have more than one. If there is, then what you want to do is just check on the date that it was added and get the most current date. In this case right here, this is the file of how to do everything. That's what this is. That's essentially what I'm showing you here. But this one I just downloaded is the actual update. So you want to download that. We can close this out because we're done. And we'll go to our downloads. And then pick the update file. Pull up your USB. I always recommend making sure that you have a completely empty, clean USB. And grab your file and drag and drop it. It shouldn't take but a second to download, and then you're done, and you can eject your USB, remove your USB from your computer, and take it to the machine that you were trying to update. And I'm going to show you that next step right here. Okay, so the first machine we're going to demo this on is the Baby Lock Flare. This will also work for the Aventura 2, the Flourish 2, as well as the Vesta. So what you're going to do is load your USB on, and with the machine off, you're going to hold down the presser foot button and flip your machine on, and continue holding it until it boots up. And then you're going to get this message here, and this is where it's going to want to load in your update and do it. And all you have to do is hit load, and it'll go through the whole loading process, and then you can turn the machine off and back on, and you have a fully updated machine. And now we're going to demo it on the Baby Lock Meridian. And this is going to be the same for a lot of different machines. Just to name a few: the Journey, the Spirit, the Unity, the Ariel, the Pathfinder, the Destiny 2, the Solaris 2, Altair, the Ballad, the Chorus, Crescendo, and Aria, and several more. So on this one, all you do is you load in your USB with the machine off. You press and hold your needle threader button and flip the machine on, and then it's going to give you this screen right here. And you select the USB that you have your USB in, let the whole thing load in, and it's that simple. You turn your machine off and back on, and you're up to date. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on the Baby Lock array. And this is going to be the same for the Intrepid, the Endurance 2, the Embroidery Professional, the Valiant, the Venture, the Enterprise, as well as the Alliance. So you load your USB, and now what you'll do is with the machine off, you hold your needle threader button, reach way back here, flip your machine on, the machine loads up, and then you just select your USB button and load it on. It's going to take a minute to do it, but when it's done, you just flip the machine off and back on, and it's that simple. Thank you all for watching today. I hope that cleared it up for you. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please like it. Subscribe if you haven't already for future videos, and I'll see y'all next time.